so here we are then. This is the prototype FE523 that we've partially converted back to a 513 with the winch and crane. We're just trying out the crane after our major sort of repairs, where we've managed to get the electrics all working and a different pack in it and running. And again, this is the first time we've actually managed to get the vehicle outside to have a look around the special features this vehicle has, such as this wonderful 6.5 ton crane. As you can see, the stabilizer leg's been extended to support it. The lockouts have been engaged to give the vehicle a stable platform, and Wayne's now having a good play with the controls to make sure it's working through all the different angles and things that we need to do. Bearing in mind this vehicle's not been used in this way for quite a long time, but thankfully now we've managed to get it running, and we're hoping to have it fully operational and all parts working. But a fabulous piece of kit, capable of lifting the Challenger power pack or the Warrior power pack. Absolutely magnificent piece of kit. Right, so look, we just removed the shackles. We're now going to lower the spade down. There we go. So that goes down nicely with using the pilot winch. So what would normally happen now is the vehicle would reverse back and push the blade into the earth to give it a good anchorage so that you could deploy the winch for the recovery task that you're going to be doing. But obviously we're not going to do that on concrete, because I don't think they'd be very happy if we tried that one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to check around and make sure we've not got any major hydraulic leaks, make sure all the different switches and levers are all correctly set. And what we would have been able to do now is deploy the main winch, which you can see just above the towing eye pintle. Very good.